Hi, it's time for you to know all true about this Hermes brand eyeshadow palette. Come on, $108 for what? For this palette. Let me show you. Okay, we have this like cardboard box, another box, orange. Yes, this is what we paying. $108 because it says Hermes here. Then what else did they give us? Of course they need to give us something because it's ridiculous how expensive. Okay, they give us little pouch. Oh, how fancy this! And palette. And then, believe me or not, we have also inside small tiny brush. What most of us, we don't even know it's brush inside and we just throw away because anyway it's plastic, it's not a good quality, it's not your Birkin's bag or Kelly. And now we have eyeshadow right here. Woohoo! 04 Ombres Marine, or maybe I not pronounced correctly, but this is the palette. Yes, I immediately pick this palette because I think about, you know what, it's kind of different. It's not all red, it's not all brown. We have beautiful here navy, we have a beautiful brown. Yes, this is colors, it's already on my wrist. They look spectacular and pretty. But wait, you need to see all this video and I will be honest with you. I will tell you what it's good, what it's not good, and also one item it saves this palette. If it's not this one item, this will go to trash right away. No, I'm not throw away. I'm gonna return this because it's a lot of money for this. But yes, I create. It looks good, but you need to know all the steps to look good or create this look. Love you more than ice cream. I just came from Las Vegas. I have a lot of energies, a lot of new beauty products I'm gonna show you on this channel, and let's start. And if you like this look, please give me a like. Love you more than ice cream. First, let's take care of my skin. It's winter now, my skin is dry, and after 45, I don't want basic. I want some moisturizer. Which one? It's give me hydration, help me with lost elasticity, my lines and wrinkles, and after 45 you getting starting changes. I mean like hormonal changes. Naturally says this is moisturizer you want to use, and I believe it's like around $140, but it's a huge moisturizer. Look how creamy and rich this. I love this cream. For my eye cream, again, Natura Besse, it's a magic eye cream. It's have little bit color. It's not really concealer, but if you don't have much darkness under your eyes, you absolutely can use this eye cream as your concealer. And I apply it on my bottom and on top of my eyelid. And look at one my eye and another. And now I'm coming to a camera really close because I want you to see this. Yes, we're gonna use this Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch product. What it does, minimize your expression line, but also will help me with my pores. I love to use this product actually for my expression lines right here and for pores. This is the best one. And of course, if you like any of these products, girls, you can reach me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I working for Nordstrom. I can send you home. It's free shipping and I always put nice, beautiful goodies inside. Love you more than ice cream. And if you like this video, please comment below. For my foundation, I'm gonna use Lancome Energy Micro Lift 12-hour lift. I'm not sure about this bullshit 12-hour lift, but it is good hydrating foundation, medium to full coverage, and then I'm gonna mix together with Chanel highlighter liquid illuminating products, and my color is Sun Kiss and foundation color 240. Again, I have here two of them. I'm gonna just mix a little bit. I put too much, it's happened. And then I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy brush. This trick will give me nice beautiful glow. Ooh, because you know we're using Hermes. I wanna look good, glowing and spectacular and young. What else? Look at my skin, how beautiful. Again, glowing. I have enough coverage. Oh, I like it. Time to use a little bit concealer. Laura Mercier Long Wearing Florals Concealer. My color is 1.5 and I like this like a peachy color. It's definitely work for my dark circles. And I'm gonna use North brush. I love this brush. I actually feel I have so much glow on my face. I have right now beauty blender and I'm gonna remove some area because I feel I put too much, but it is pretty. Next step, Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Powder, and I'm using big brush from North. I love North brushes. Under my eyes, I'm gonna use different powder, and it's Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna use same North brush, and this brush it's still kind of slight level say wet, but this is basically I pushing product inside this brush, and now I'm gonna set my concealer. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, bronze, and then we're gonna use Hermes. Eyebrows, it's done, and let's use bronze. Yes, Claire de Peau. I do love this bronze. You can see it's have a two color. Underneath have a brush. I not yet even use this brush. Oops. I using my North brush, and I'm gonna apply close to my hairline. Right here, pushing bronze up underneath. Very natural, very subtle. I don't want heavy looking makeup on me. I want, yes, when you're young, whenever you want, but after 45, makeup, no makeup is your best friend. My lips so dry right now. Let's put, I just grabbed my lip oil from Christian Dior and I'm gonna put on my lips. It's not much color, just more enhance my lips and give me good hydration, but it's color I believe 006, and if you can see it really looks dark but not on my lips. Now I'm gonna use primer from MAC and applying on the entire my eyelid. I want eyeshadow stay all day long, and it's time to use this beautiful eyeshadow. Don't expect any craziness. I'm gonna look classy and elegant like always. I'm using big blending brush from MAC, and we're gonna apply basically on low lid, and we're gonna push this eyeshadow up. This is, it's your first step, or it's my step. I need to reapply this eyeshadow a couple times to build a color. This color, it's good, nice, but it's not give me intense color. It's very looking soft. I reapplying this color again couple times on almost my entire eyelid. I don't go close to my brows, I leave in little space, but this brush for some reason don't works today for me, and it's poking my eyes. I don't like how it feels. Let me find something different. Time for me to use North brush, and this is my favorite baby brush. It's a small tiny blending brush. We're gonna use same color, and this is again, it's a brownie color, but it's very soft, not intense at all. I apply this brown eyeshadow underneath, and I push a little bit up. What it does, it's make my eyes bigger. Look at one eye and another. Don't use heavy eyeliner like black eyeliner or brown eyeliner and like smudge. Use eyeshadow first. So far I'm a little bit disappointed about this brown color. You need to reapply so many times to build color. It's no intensity, it's pretty sheer, and it's pretty expensive. $108. I have again blending brush, and let's destroy this Hermes logo right here. It's a pretty, it's a navy black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply right here on the corner. Oh, okay, this one is go pretty good. Oh, this have a color. This is intensity is there. Okay. You can see I apply this color in the corner right here, pushing color up, and this color actually very intense. I have only two colors. Now let's use one more time this brown color. I'm gonna apply little bit more right here, and I'm gonna go above of this navy, deep navy color, just a little bit clean and soft. I have two colors on me. Let's little bit slightly clean. I be honest with you, I am not happy. I'm very unhappy. But let's continue to use. We still have a beautiful bright blue color and a beautiful shimmer. I'm gonna use small tiny flat brush for a blue bright color. And this blue bright color I'm gonna apply right here, kind of like almost on the center, pushing up, little bit building, and again I pushing this color to corner of my eye. Soft, not heavy. You know what, so far between three colors, which one I use, blue, it's go very pretty. It sits beautiful on my eyelid. One more time, I'm gonna blend this eyeshadow. We have one more color left here. It's light one. Everything is coming together, but again, if you're not a good blender, maybe it's not the right palette for you. We're gonna use this light color, and I feel this is color, it's intense color. I'm gonna apply it slightly, little bit under my brow. It's gonna lift my eye. It looks good. Time to curl my lashes. I'm using Shiseido lash curler. I need extra pop. Let's use liquid eyeliner from Christian Dior, and I'm using brown color. Okay, let's put primer from Chanel, mascara from Chanel, because we're almost done with my eyes. And then, of course, we need a beautiful blush. We need a nice, beautiful lips to complete this look. You tell me, do you like this or not? And I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy mascara for my bottom lashes. I feel this eye makeup need nude eyeliner, and I'm using Enchanting nude eyeliner on my waterline. It is good one. Okay, because mascara, eyeliner, and everything what I add now my look coming together and looks good, but I be honest with you, you need eyeshadow primer. The eyeshadow primer, it's saver here because it's not much pigment. Yes, it is pigmented this blue color, but navy, it's not brown, it's not bright blue. Yes, the shimmer one, it's okay. Let's apply this beautiful blush. It's a first look. You can see it's really light, but this blush actually will give you nice beautiful color. This is my favorite blush from Charlotte Tilbury. It's such a beautiful color. For my lips, let's use chestnut lip liner from Laura Mercier. Beautiful like a brown nude color. And then lipstick from Christian Dior 716. And it's a nice, beautiful, neutral color. And I like formula. It's a good hydrating formula. Oh, I love this soft brown lip color. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's perfect for this look. And I'm feeling good. I feel young. But I will not pay $108 for this palette. But remember, I already have a video with another eyeshadow palette from Hermes. And I kind of like it. But this one, sorry, I'm a little bit disappointed. Even it looks good.